LUNACLASSIC trending on Twitter as Terra Luna up over 1,000% since June. This is the Captain Adam Shelton, and welcome to ClearCryptos. And Terra Luna is tearing things up. Now, it's outshining the rest of the crypto market at the moment, as of now, it's up over 80% in September due to the token burns news. Now, it seems like Terra Luna, if you go back and look at the chart here, it definitely has been doing some movement here, but it seems to be having a bull market of its own at the moment and has already risen over 1,000% since June of 2022. Now, a couple of trends of LUNACLASSIC, here's one of the ones I want to tell you. Now, one of the most popular crypto Twitter traders at Follis_discover, LUNACLASSIC was trending last week as the price has increased over 200% from the June lows. Now, Terra LUNACLASSIC heavily relies on its community, which that recently has been added massive value to the network, similar to a meme coin. It's not a meme coin, but it has a community that's similar to a meme coin. Now, looking at Binance LUNC BUSD spot trading pair, the 2022 low was on the 9th June at that particular price. This was a golden opportunity to realize over 1,000% gains if you bought at that particular time. So, LUNACLASSIC trending on Twitter and is up over 1,000% since June. This is Adam Shelton from ClearCryptos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.